everyone. I'll be talking about seed cycling. Seed cycling is a natural nutritional base to improve your menstrual cycle and support the hormone and to reduce the PMSing symptoms, acne or irregular menstrual flow. What is seed cycling? It is a specific way to add seed to improve your menstrual cycle, which will support your estrogen and progesterone. Normal menstrual cycle is of 28 days. Menstrual cycle has been divided into two phases, which is follicular phase and luteal phase. Follicular phase is the first half of the cycle, which is from the day 1st till ovulation, which is day 14. And luteal phase is from day 15 till the periods. In the follicular phase, which is predominated by estrogen, which seeds which should be added to improve your estrogen? It is flax seeds and your pumpkin seeds. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds or pumpkin seeds, which is rich in omega-3 acids and zinc. It will improve your estrogen and it will improve your ovulation too. During the luteal phase, which is the next half of the cycle, we should concentrate more over the sesame seeds and sunflower seeds. We should take 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds and sunflower seeds, which will improve your calcium, selenium and vitamin E. It will also support your uterine linings and it will increase the progesterone and it will reduce your mood swings and PMSing symptoms and the acne.
Hello ma'am, I have a few questions for you. First question, how to take the seeds?
Seeds should be taken in the powdered form. We should first dry roast it and make it in the powder form. We can keep it for 2 weeks and it should be added with curd or your smoothies or your dal or chutneys.
When we will get the result ma'am?
You will start seeing the result from second or third cycle, but the best result will be seen only after the continuous uses for 3 cycles.
Next question ma'am, who can benefit the most?
A person who is having heavy menstrual bleeding, PMSing symptoms, irregular menstrual cycle can benefit the most.
For whom it should not be advised?
It should not be advised for a pregnant lady. It should not be advised for a patient who is having severe PCO symptoms or thyroid disorder or on the hormone supplements. At the end, I want to say that menstrual cycle, in a normal menstrual cycle, for the first half of the menstrual cycle, you should go for flax seeds and pumpkin seeds for the first 14 days and next 14 days, you should concentrate to the sesame seeds and sunflower seeds.